Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. As you can see, I was out here trying to get my own little wop. I was trying to stick to, like, you know, the green and purple theme with some graphic liner and some rhinestones and the whole deal. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you go ahead and continue to watch. Okay guys, so I know it looks like I don't have a shirt on, but I do. I really do. We're gonna start with this hair. So before we even get into it, this wig is like a synthetic wig. It's like fake synthetic, fake human. You're allowed to put heat on it, allegedly. I guess if you're seeing this video, I was able to pull it off decent enough for this IGTV video, so we gon' see. But girl, I'm so hyped for this video. It's so cute. Okay, so let's throw this on. Oh. Okay. Hold on, I gotta go get my mirror, to be honest. I have no idea what's about to happen with this. She's cute regardless. If I can get this to pull off, like, yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, there was a part already done and I was gonna use it, but now I don't know where it is. Oh no, where did the part go? I think that's it, yeah. There's the part. I think she's really cute though. Like, I don't know how I'm about to really lay her down because this lace is so dark, but regardless, the little bob is a wave. I want some of this to go backwards. Okay, or not. Yeah, I'm trying to comb it all out and stuff before I lay it down because I don't know how well it's going to do. This is definitely not something I will really wear in real life. Like, I think it's cute or whatever, but like, as soon as I'm done with this video, you already know I'm taking it off. Yo, this looks good to me. This is, you know, I don't be flourishing in the hair department. We here for the makeup. I think this is cute. So I'm gonna put my little scarf on and let that be, okay? Okay guys, so this is where we are now. I think my hair looks good enough for what I'm trying to do for a little pick. I think she gonna work, okay? This is my P. Louise base. Just using a flat brush to lay this down. Alright, I have on more than enough base, okay? This is in shade 2, by the way. So I really, again, don't really know what I'm doing, but I know I want it to be fun and just cute, but it doesn't have to be hard, you know what I mean? So I want to go in firstly with the Huda Beauty pastels and lilac. 3 colors. I'm going to go in with this one and this one. Okay, I want to keep going. This color is actually on camera looking lighter than it is in person. It's like, it's so pretty, honestly. This is my first time using these too. I just like randomly picked up all the pastels when I was in Sephora shopping more than I should. And I was like, wow, these are nice. These are super pigmented. I'm not surprised because I started using her liner. And yeah, if you make a mistake with that's the mistake for the year. You know, you can't get that off for a couple days. I was like scrubbing my face like 3 times before I can get that liner off. So, yeah, okay, Huda. I know sometimes she'd be a little problematic, I heard, but... Alright, I'm feeling this already. I'm like, okay, straight off the bat, like, that's what we doing? That's what we doing? I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place and the violets. Also has, like, somewhat of a light shimmer to it, so it just works out, and it's gonna blend really easily. Now I'm really gonna pack it on in the middle because that's where I really want that color to pop, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm so like, I don't know if y'all know, but I really don't be wearing like colors like all like this. I really don't enjoy it, to be honest. Like I be doing it for y'all, but I don't love it, okay? So I really be in the neutral department and black and white if we be in keeping it a whole buff, but this is giving me life already. Taking a clean Morphe M506 brush, it's literally my favorite brush, y'all. It's the best blending brush out. Let me get the hand together so y'all can really see it. It's really one of the best brushes for blending. I think you should have like 10 of them. You always need like 1,000. So I'm going to just blend all around here. I'm gonna keep cleaning off the brush, and it's okay if a little bit of glitter gets in there. We want that. It's cute, she cute. And same thing over on this side. We just don't want no harsh lines, okay? I am feeling this. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. I don't know. Something about me listening to WAP on repeat for the past 2 days, but we're gonna hope this is dark enough. I might end up needing to use some black. I'm like really packing that color onto the brush first so that it's just like a lot. Girl, fire, 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 fire. I'm not gonna be super worried about blending this out all the way yet, because I know that once I do my makeup, you know how that get. But I am gonna go in with another M506 brush, a clean one yet again, and just soften up this area. And the last thing I'm gonna do is in the very, 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 very outer corner, using that same darker color, just press and darken it up. After some decision making, I'm deciding to do some green graphic liner to tie in the purple and green theme. And the lime green, this is the electric lime. I have a little tiny eyeliner brush that I literally pulled and cut hairs out of. It's so small. So I'm hoping that it's thin enough that I can get done what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna just hold my breath and y'all can watch. Okay, so I'm gonna put a rhinestone there and there. I think this is as close as I'm gonna get it. Like, graphic liner is always so hard for me. I don't know. I think it's okay. We're gonna do some rhinestones, some liner, and then some lashes, and you shouldn't be able to tell that it's not that perfect. I have like blue, purple, white. These ones are like black and white. The whole deal. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with some of these purple ones that I have, and then I have green, and then I think I'm gonna do some whites, like some smaller whites. But I'm gonna do white first, or should I do purple? I just have some duo clear glue, like the white. I don't use that on for my lashes. I use the black for my lashes. I would normally do white liner with this, but I'm just gonna do black. I don't want it to have like too much going on because I already feel stressed as is. So I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty liner. All right, we got a nice little layer of liner on, and now I'm going to put on some lashes, baby. I'm so excited. I don't know what it's called, but they're real cute. Lashes are on. It was a struggle, but we got them on. Whew, these little rhinestones were mad close to the top, so I think this is super duper cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna do it really quickly because y'all have seen me do my face a billion times, and I just don't feel like you need all of that. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty primer as usual. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place foundation, and this is in the shade Nairobi 410. I have like the biggest pimple right here. I don't know where it came from. I've also been eating like so bad, so I'm sure that's where it came from. Okay, for concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place. And this is in color J12. This hair is shedding so bad, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. I was getting from that video like Willy Wonka vibes, but like Ho edition. And that was like one of my favorite movies as a kid. It was like that and then like The Craft, LOL. And yeah, that it just really was very nostalgic, but like now I'm an adult, you know? Okay, we are nice and blended. Okay, I'm gonna go and I haven't really been contouring. I'm gonna use cream contour. This is supposed to be cream bronzer, but it's contour, baby. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty, and this is in color Chocolate. Using an angle brush. This is a E4 brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna start to contour just a little bit. I know this looks crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out, y'all. I'm gonna blend it out. This isn't like my favorite blending brush, but it's good to like apply. My bags start to show up and show out, okay? I'm using the Fenty powder and the color Honey. To set my cream bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Coco Nati, which is the regular bronzer version. I'm using a brush from BH Cosmetics. It's just a little bit fluffier than the angle brush that I used before. And I'm gonna get to town, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and get to town real quick. This is just what will be bringing my look together. I just feel like she really did it for me with this one. I'm gonna go in with Yara, which I've been using a lot lately, and it's this guy right here. All right, cheeks is good, girl. Looking good. You're looking good, girl. Woo! You already know which highlighter I'm about to use. This is from, ooh, oh, y'all, this hair is all over me. I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill. You already know, Glow Up. So for underneath my eye, now that the face is done, I'm gonna do my lip last. I'm gonna go in with the color Shmoney. This is from the Mitchell palette. I'm just gonna put on some NYX. Hey guys, that is it for this look. I'm obsessed. We got a little intergalactic little look going on. I want to stay in theme, obviously. It seemed like they're like, you know, a little futuristic type vibes, you know. I really enjoyed this. I pushed myself with this, and you know, I don't like no color on my face. So as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, share it if you want, tag Cardi if you want, tag Megan if you want. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.